a person could do it, but you have to plan it the way. I think you should cheat. Unless you're good and you can back up the whole way.
Like I said, I hope I don't end up in the water. Slowly. A little probably good, but that's good. Not a reason enough to end up in the water.
Well, if you did go over, I would probably be like, ooh, I should chase him and get the shot. Fall right in with you. Plenty of room to turn around now. Yeah.
All right. This would be perfect to take off with the flats. Fly around. Oh, we need to come back.
That's bad.
Wait a minute. Do it again. Okay. Come on. No.
There you go.
Pretty hard. Take a look at all that mud now.
Yeah, I think you have
I think I got it now.
too much of a slip differential
Yeah.
because your front left tire's not turning.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there you go. There
I
you
got
go.
it now.
If you had more of a lock,